Hi guys, welcome back to Blessed Life Journey and welcome to our YouTube tutorial. In our last lesson, we set up YouTube dual streaming. Today, we are mastering the unified live dashboard because YouTube merges your vertical and your landscape feed into one single broadcast. Your backend will look a bit different. Let's break down how to read it so you don't lose your mind during your midstream. We will look at first the analysis, the combined analysis, then we will look at navigating our stream health, that's our unified stream health, and then managing the single chat. So everything is in one unified component. So you won't see two analysis, you won't see two your L stream, you won't see two, and your chat you will only see one. So for this tutorial, I had went ahead and I had set up an upcoming live stream, and I am doing currently I am streaming. I don't stream on Sundays, but for this stream I did both just to do the demonstration. So first we will look at um, how to turn on the dual stream. So to do this, you'll have to go to your desktop version of your upcoming live stream, and you need to click on it as if you're about to watch it. Then you need to look for the word analysis, and you need to click on the analysis. Let me check inside the studio that you guys are seeing what I'm demonstrating. I'll probably have to put it to 150 so the visual is a bit bigger. So I had done this demonstration already during our previous setup, but I will just do it again for this live stream demonstration purpose. So once you are in the studio, you will go straight ahead to your settings, and your you will turn on your the dual stream. You will turn on that, so your stream will be able to stream in both landscape and vertical. So I'm just going to quickly turn it on, and remember that's found under the stream setting, and we had discussed that in our previous live stream, but for this YouTube tutorial. So but for this demonstration, we'll just go quickly over it. So you just click on the toolbar right underneath stream settings, and as I said, we will look at the analysis, viewers activities, and our stream health right there. So those are the components that we will discuss. So we have turned it on. You go to the top of your interface, you should see your stream. To the left, you will see of your um, interface, you will see your landscape, and to the right, you will see your vertical. So this is how YouTube split it. To the right, you will see your vertical, and to the left, you will see your landscape. I don't want to stretch out the stream long, but I think it's important that we break it down. Below, you will see your stream key. If you're using an app like OBS, you need your stream keys to paste there, so you will have so you can stream via that. I'm going to go at this point to my current live stream that is in progress, so you'll have a better understanding. As I said, I don't normally stream on Sunday, so I just do this for this YouTube um, tutorial. So we are at analysis. Let's break down the analysis, then we look at it um, more in depth. So up next is your analysis, your concurrent viewers count. So step one, combine analysis. Um, this is the graph where you see your concurrent viewers and your watch time metric. Your concurrent viewers is aggregated. This means mobile feeds, short feeds, viewers, and your desktop viewers are all added together in this one number. This is great for your channel authority, but remember the behavior is different. Your vertical viewers might pop in and out quickly, while landscape viewers often stays for longer form mid-hour session. So if your live stream is long, um, your the landscape, those viewers normally stays longer. For the vertical viewers, that's those on their phone, they normally just pop in and pop out. So it's good. The landscape is a better in terms of retention. Those viewers stick and stays longer with you more than your vertical feed, but it all adds up at the end, and it gives you, you reach more persons during your stream, and sometimes you'll get a new subscriber. So if you want to grow your channel in terms of subscription, you reach a wider audience doing the vertical. But remember that the negative of that, their time span is short, so they just pop in and pop out, whilst your landscape audience, they will stay there for the entire duration, or for a longer period. So note, this is what my landscape viewers, they will see on their screen. They will see my call to action, and remember that your call to action, you need to place it in the middle of your screen, so it's when YouTube splits it, it's there. If you are not a faceless channel like me, you need to sit in the center, and that was already discussed. I'm just going over it, so just in case you missed that one. So you have to place your call to action in the center, and if you are not a faceless channel, you have to sit. So if you know, this is what the viewers on my vertical will see. My call to action, it's not cut off, it's right there. So that's what they see. However, they don't see the comments. I'm streaming via StreamYard, but if you notice, they won't see the comments, but they see the most important aspect of the live stream. And then at the top, if your stream is excellent in terms of um your internet, you will see excellent. So for now, they are saying that my stream is excellent. So that's the stream settings. We won't look at, that's underneath no, we are looking at analysis. So in the analysis section, you will see your concurrent viewers. These persons, they are on my landscape. My chat rate is at 3 now. I got 10 viewers, and the stream has been going on for 39 minutes, and they all are there for that 39 minutes duration since the stream starts. Since I start streaming. No, I'm actually streaming over an hour, and because I got a little confused there, and it's okay, we're human. So my stream started over an hour ago. I was trying to figure it out, and I had to start back over with the tutorial. So I'm actually streaming for 1 hour and 45 minutes, and the average duration of those 10 viewers is 40 minutes, and as you can see, it just changes to 40 minutes, which is not bad, because in terms of ads revenue, that means they would have watched some ads right there. So you will see a breakdown. It gives you an in-depth breakdown of your analysis, your concurrent viewers, your chat rate, and all of that. And then you will see the draft there of the behavior pattern. When it just started, when it peaked, it also, if it dropped, and if it went back up, that was when it was at 4% watch it, it went back down to 1, and then it went back up to 4, and now then it goes to 2. So you know, notice the vertical audience, they keep falling off. Their retention span is really short. So that's the analysis in brief. Viewers activities, I haven't gotten any members or super chat during the stream, and the stream health now. So now we will look at our stream health and see what that's all about. So the navigating the unified stream health. First, let's look at the stream health. Even though you are sending out 2 layers, YouTube monitors this as a single incoming feed. If you see a warning about bitrate, it affects both your vertical and your landscape viewers. Keep an eye on this main indicator right here to ensure your connection stays stable. So you have to monitor your this section. So mine is excellent. It's so if you click on it, it says excellent, no issues. And if it's on good, minor issues. And if it's poor, it means issues that needs your attention. And then offline, that means no data is available. So yeah, that's the status of it. So currently it's on excellent, and it's after 6. It's also give you the time of the message. It's 6. This one was sent at 6 a.m. 7 minutes after 6 a.m. and it's saying stream health is healthy and also excellent. So that's on the stream health. You will see all of those information. So if you're having Wi-Fi issues, your live control room can guide you. So you need to know that try to restart or move closer to your Wi-Fi. My battery is getting low, so I need to plug in my my um my charger, which I already did. So now we are going to look at the comments section. Let me see that, go back to the studio to see that you are seeing all that I'm saying. So we are at the comments section currently. I want to give a quick shout out to my brother Park Roma and Mom Kevnish. They are the only 2 persons in the chat, keeping the chat active, and the chat rate is at 4. So thank you guys. You both are doing an amazing job. I appreciate you. So um, just to shout them out, but the main aim is to let you see that even though it's you're streaming in both format, you only see 1 comment. So if you're into reading your comments, don't worry, everything, they combine everything together and you will only see 1 comment. So your comments is your own, they combine it and you're only seeing 1 comment. So managing your single chat feed, showing the live, YouTube will only show you 1 live stream comment. The biggest time saver is the single chat workflow. Since you only have 1 slot, as I demonstrate there, 1 chat dashboard, you don't need multiple streams. So you don't have to open multiple streams to talk to your audience. When someone comments from the vertical short feed, it shows up right alongside the desktop comment. And a quick pro tip, you can call out your mobile viewers explicitly to keep them high engaged and keep the engagement going. So for your mobile, that's the vertical side of it, you need to give them shout out, let them feel appreciated. For my stream, if they are active in the chat, I will just type in the chat so they know that I recognize them. So that's a positive and negative. If you are a faceless channel, you just have to type. For those persons that are not faceless, they can just quickly shout them out. Some of them will stay, some won't stay. In in closing, guys, because I don't want to keep this long, mastering this dashboard keeps your stream smooth and stress free. If this helps you any clear up the dual streaming, any confusion, just hit that like button and subscribe button, and we will see each other in our next YouTube tutorial. If you can tell me if in the chat if this is was helpful, and also if you will be trying the dual streaming. um, as a monetized channel, it's good when you stream in both. um, I love to stream in landscape. It's just since this um, new setting, I start stream both in landscape and vertical, because the landscape I earn more ad revenue during the stream from those persons on the landscape. The vertical, as I said, their retention is short, so they just click in and click out. But my subscription grows and I meet a wider audience. So in everything you have negative and positive, but yeah, I like both and I stream in both. The most the part that I love is that I see my comments section. My comments are in one area and I get to read it and interact with everyone during the stream. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Give me your feedback in the comment section. I won't stretch out this tutorial any longer. Big up Kevnish, it's amazing, and my brother Park Roma for keeping the chat going during this demonstration. Catch you all guys on another YouTube tutorial, and remember, as I always say, speak blessings over your lives and continue to be that reason for someone to smile. Bye guys.